Hello. Hi, Mr. Ladlow, hello. No, I can't come into work today. I'm in bed. The cough, it's better. The buttercup was brilliant, yeah. I've got a sort of inward thing now, really, kind of a... My arm is wobbling. Oh, that's very nice. I've got a headache. There's something inside. I can't see! Somebody let the dog out! And the cow!
Buttercup is so effective at relieving coughs and colds, you'll have to think of a better excuse.
Yeah, I've been hit by a train, Mr. Ludlow. I'm okay, but it's very contagious.